Hello and welcome to Vera's Open Kitchen. For today's dish, I will show you how to prepare a tomato soup. Tomato soup has been my favorite since my childhood. It's one of my favorite soups in the world. So if I go to a restaurant and they tell me the soup of the day is tomato soup, sure I will get it. Okay? So follow me. For our tomato soup, first thing I did is cooked with water the leftovers of the chicken. We save the liquid and we will have a nice chicken broth. At this point, as it is boiling, I will add 4 tomatoes. Here I have our beautiful tomatoes. At this point, I will be adding salt. This is like half teaspoon salt. And we leave it there, reducing the heat, and we leave it there like 15 more minutes, okay? Here, we have like the little chunks. Okay, but we also put the tomatoes with the peels, so it's still perfect and good. Okay, at this moment I will add some garlic powder. Okay, like 1/4 teaspoon. It's a little bit, so we can have some more flavor. Okay, also a dash of black pepper. So now we turn off a stove. So just sprinkle some fresh basil on top to give it some flavor. And as you can see, the tomato chunks are in there.